Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to hide Amazon orders. This is particularly useful if you want to keep certain purchases private or simply declutter your order history without permanently deleting anything. First things first, open your web browser and navigate to Amazon.com. Once you're on the home page, go ahead and sign into your account. After you've logged in successfully, you'll land on the main Amazon page where you can start managing your orders. Now, direct your attention to the upper right corner of the screen. Here you'll see an option that says Returns and Orders. Click on that. This is where Amazon stores your entire purchase history, making it easy to track, return, or manage any item you've bought. Once you click it, you'll be taken to a page displaying all your recent and past orders in chronological order. Although I don't have any orders visible right now, let me walk you through what you'd see next. Normally, this page would show a list of all your purchases, complete with product images, order dates, and delivery status. Each order appears as its own section, making it straightforward to find what you're looking for. When you locate the specific order you want to hide, click directly on it. This will open up the detailed view of that particular order, showing you everything from the items purchased to the shipping address and payment method used. It's essentially a complete breakdown of that transaction. Once you're viewing the order details, look for the option that says Archive Order. This button is typically located just below the order information. Click on Archive Order. What this does is remove the order from your main order history view without actually deleting it from Amazon's records. It's more like tucking it away into a hidden folder where it won't appear during casual browsing. After clicking Archive Order, Amazon will ask you to confirm this action. This is a safety measure to ensure you don't accidentally hide orders you might need to reference later. You'll see a prompt asking you to select Archive Order again to confirm. Go ahead and click it one more time, and that's it. Your order is now archived and won't show up in your regular order history anymore. If you ever need to access archived orders in the future, Amazon does provide a way to view them through a separate filter, but they'll remain hidden from your main orders page. This keeps your order history clean and organized while maintaining your privacy. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.